Okay, guys, this question was sent to me last night, and I want us to look through it and see what else we can do to solve it. Anytime you get such a math, the only advice I'll give it to you is always try as much as possible to ignore those decimals in between the figures. You see those points, those dots, just ignore them. Okay, so you can be able to have the momentum to solve it. Okay, so instead of 24.5 times 2.5, we are going to change it into 245. Okay, so you write 245 times 25. Just ignore those decimals. Okay, just ignore them. Okay, let's solve it. So if you look at here, we have 5 times 5 will give us 25. Okay, so we write our 5 here, remaining 2. Okay, then 5 times 4 will give us what? 20, plus the 2 here is 22. So you write our 2 here, remaining 2 here. Okay, then another 5 times 2 here will give us 10, plus the remaining 2, which is 12. Okay, so 245 times 5 will give you 1225. Okay, let's continue with the 2 here. Okay, so 2 times 5 will give you what? 10. 0 remaining 1. Okay, 2 times 4 will give you what? 8, plus the 1, which is what? 9. Okay, then 2 times 2 here will give us what? 4. Okay, good. Then when you finish, you have to add, or you have to sum up those figures down here. Okay, so here is 5 plus no number here. Sometimes I tell my kids, you know what, just write 0 here so that it will be easier for you to be able to do your calculations here. So it's going to be 5 plus 0, which is 5. Okay, then 2 plus 0 will give you 2. Okay, then 2 plus 9 will give you 11. You write your 1 here, remaining the 1 out here. Then 1 plus 4 will give you 5, plus the 1 here will give you what? 6. So far we've got 6,125. Okay, so 6,125. Let's go back up there. You see, we have 24.5 times 2.5. Okay, so let's look at the decimals. After the point, you count the numbers of the figures that you've got there. If we look at the first one, which is 24.5, we have, after the decimal, after the point, we have one figure here. Okay, then when you come to the side, we have another, after the point, we have another figure here. So you have to count, here is 1, here is 2. Okay, so we have 2 decimals. Okay, so here is 1, here is 2. So when you come here, you have to count from here 1 and 2. So your decimal will be here, or your point will be in between here. Okay, so it's going to be 61.25, which is your final answer. It's very, very, very easy. Always when you get like that, as I said, count the figures after the point. Okay, so here, if you look at here, we've got only one figure after the point. If you come here also, we got one figure after the point, so it's going to be 1 and 2. So your final answer, you count 1, 2, then you put your point there, or your decimal there. So this is your answer. Subscribe, and I will be sending more videos every day so that you can be on top of your maths. Okay, take care, bye.